What's going on, nerds? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing something that AutoFull sent out to me. If you guys aren't familiar with AutoFull, they make gaming chairs and desks. But today we're going to be unboxing a chair they sent out. I don't really remember what color I picked out, so I guess we're going to be finding out together. But yeah, I'm not going to talk too much. Let's unbox this thing, let's check it out, and let's go over, my initial impressions on this product. If you guys have any questions, of course, let me know. Hit me up. Always, I'm always open to answer any questions you guys might have. But with that being said, let's unbox this thing, yeah? Okay. What do you think, Olive? What do you think? Hold on. Olive, what do you think, girl? You think we should unbox this thing now? Yeah? Oh my God, excuse my mess. But yeah, I leave for Europe in literally like 1 day. So this is kind of a last minute video. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Let's hop right into it. So something to note, so this is fine. This came with like holes and you just like install it here. Super simple, no problem. But this side, there's no holes, there's nothing. It's just like clear. So, oh, I might have scratched, no. Okay, yeah, I scratched it there. I can feel like the pull here, but I'm not sure. I mean, obviously I gotta poke holes through it, right? So that's kind of unfortunate, makes it a little bit more difficult to install. There's no holes on the bottom that you can slide this thing in. It obviously goes on the side here, but it sucks that I have to be the one to poke the holes. But so be it, we'll do that, and we'll continue on the process. So far, chair looks pretty clean, pretty good. All right, a little quick test. Oh, we chilling. So to start off, I just wanted to give you guys my initial first impressions on this chair. The build process, I think it was very simple, not that difficult. I had a few, minor setbacks here and there, but honestly, overall, it only took me about 30 minutes to build. I would go and say that the design of the chair, it's very clean, very minimalistic. The branding, I personally don't think it's too much, it's not too over the top, it's very minimal, which I don't mind at all. It does come with a pillow here for your neck, which I think it's very soft and plush. It's not too hard, so if you have a little bit of an issue with your neck, I think this pillow will be a good fit. And here you can see the detail on the logo and the stitching. I honestly think it's absolutely phenomenal. How well done it looks, the quality of the stitching and the logo is just top notch. And the chair just overall in general, it's top notch, amazing. And here, like I mentioned, of course it does come with that pillow for your neck. It's very simple to put on. You just grab the two straps. You're gonna place them through the little loops on the chair, and then hook them up in the very back. Very easy, very clean, super simple, and it looks great. You also have the little lumbar support. You don't have to attach it to anything, just place it down on the back. I will mention personally, I think the pillow is a bit too hard. I feel like if it was a little bit softer, it would have been a lot better. I have chairs in the past that have come with softer pillows, and I personally, I prefer the softer pillows on the back side. And you have these wheels that look incredible. I love how the gray design matches the overall aesthetic of the entire chair. I think those wheels look absolutely fantastic. So I'll mention, I'm about 6 foot tall, and when I'm sitting down, honestly, I have no issues with my feet reaching down the floor whenever it's all the way up or all the way down. It feels really comfortable as well when sitting. So here we have the armrest. I did find it a lot more comfortable to have it all the way up as to when it was all the way down. But of course, you can put it to whatever height you want it with that little lever right there on the side. So you have a ton of options as to, you know, whatever makes you a lot more comfortable when sitting in this chair. You can also move the head to the side, all the way to the right, and then keep it right in the middle as well, whatever fits your choice. And then you have the lever here on the side, which you can fix the angle you want the chair to be in. So if you like it all the way forward or, you know, chilling all the way back, you can do that. And yes, you can definitely do this as well. So it does pop back pretty far. Personally, I wouldn't do it, but yeah, you can do that. But overall, my impressions of the chair, 10 out of 10. The quality is fantastic. It hugs around you comfortably. It looks amazing as well. Would I recommend it to you? Yes, I mean, I would definitely recommend it. I really don't have anything negative to say in regards to this AutoFull chair, besides that little snag in the build process, but of course, very simple to get over. Took me about a minute, got past it, and then after that, smooth sailing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys learned a little bit about this chair. Maybe you guys are, you know, in the market to buy a chair, and hopefully this helped you guys in choosing the right one for you. But with that being said, guys, hope you enjoyed, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.